Have you ever looked at a pile of leftover wood and wondered if you're missing out on a hidden treasure? What if those scraps gathering dust in your garage could become both beautiful home decor and a surprising source of extra income? Today, you'll discover how to unlock the secret potential in what most people see as junk, and you don't need fancy tools or years of experience to get started. Every day, perfectly good wood ends up in the trash, while home decor stores charge a fortune for rustic, handmade pieces. The truth is, you can create stunning, one-of-a-kind items from scrap wood using just a bit of creativity and some basic supplies. Whether you're a total beginner or a weekend DIYer, you already have everything you need to begin. The magic of working with scrap wood is all about transformation. Instead of seeing old boards, imagine the possibilities: functional storage, eye-catching wall art, clever organizers, or even unique gifts. The key is to look beyond what the wood was and start picturing what it could become. Sometimes, the smallest offcuts can be turned into charming accents that add warmth and style to any room. But here's the real secret: people love buying handmade decor that tells a story. When you craft something from reclaimed wood, you're not just making a product, you're creating a piece with character, history, and sustainability. Those natural imperfections, the weathered look, the unique grain, these are exactly what make your creations stand out and command higher prices at craft fairs, online shops, or even among friends and family. If you're thinking about turning your hobby into a side hustle, scrapwood is the perfect place to start. The cost is low, the materials are often free, and the demand for authentic, eco-friendly decor keeps growing. Even simple projects can fetch impressive prices, and with a little practice, you'll find your own style that buyers can't resist. Imagine transforming your home with pieces you made yourself: shelves, signs, organizers, or decorative accents, each one a conversation starter. Or, picture earning extra cash by selling your creations locally or online, all while keeping waste out of landfills. The possibilities are endless, and the process is more fun than you might expect. So, next time you see a pile of scrap wood, don't walk past it, see the opportunity hiding in plain sight. With a bit of imagination and a willingness to try, you can turn what others throw away into something truly valuable. Ready to start your own creative journey? Dive in, experiment, and watch as both your home and your wallet begin to transform. Which part of the scrapwood journey excites you most? Decorating your own space, making gifts, or maybe starting a mini business? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more fast, fun, and easy craft ideas.